Sveba Dahlen's rack ovens are equipped with alternating rotation of the rack, known as IBS, Increased Baking Surface System. Alternating rotation means that the oven's rack changes its rotation direction several times during the baking process. This way, all sides of the baked goods are exposed to the airflow, leading to more even, efficient, and slightly faster baking across the entire tray. With faster baking, you also reduce energy consumption, which leads to lower costs per baking cycle. This will be noticeable both in taste and in your profits. The patented IBS system is just one example of Sveba Dahlen's long history of innovations that improve baking results and reduce energy consumption for bakers around the world. As you can see in these clips, some of the bread surfaces meet the airflow while other surfaces indirectly move away from it. The surfaces marked in red get more exposure to the airflow by moving towards it. The surfaces marked in orange do not move towards the airflow and therefore get less airflow exposure. By changing the rotation direction, the surfaces alternate so that all surfaces get equal exposure to the incoming airflow. The IBS function thus results in more even baking outcomes. Whether you're baking loaves, rolls, cookies, sponge cakes, or delicate items like meringues, you can trust that Sveba Dahlen's rack ovens consistently delivers even results every time. We are Sveba Dahlen, your partner in successful baking.